If you've been in the game long enough, you've had a site migration go wrong. Look, it may not have been catastrophic, but the time it takes to revert, debug, reattempt, and cross your fingers, look, that's a headache that no one needs. In this video, I'll show you how WP Migrate takes the risk and hassle out of migrations, turning what used to be a stressful and time-consuming job into a smooth 5-minute process for sites of all sizes. I have this site here for a car dealership. It's clearly a business-critical website with many car listings and a big emphasis on local SEO for driving site traffic and generating business inquiries. So downtime, it's not an option. We need to move this site from one server to another, and WP Migrate makes it simple. We are going to do what is called a push migration. We're going to use the origin site to push the migration to our destination site. To help visualize this, I have my origin site here on the left and my destination site here on the right. Step 1. Install and activate WP Migrate on both sites. That gives us access to the migration dashboard on each. Step 2. On the destination site, toggle the option to allow incoming push migrations and copy the connection info. Step 3. On the origin site, click Migrate, Push, and paste in that connection info. We have options for configuring exactly what we want to happen with the migration. And then we click Push. Now, WordPress websites come in all shapes and sizes, and this is where WP Migrate really wins. With hundreds of thousands of completed migrations, the team has seen it all. WP Migrate can accommodate 99.99% of migration scenarios. The migration completes, and just like that, we're live on the new server. A quick check on the front end confirms everything is running perfectly. What I showed you here was a full site push migration. And WP Migrate is incredibly flexible. You can pull from a remote site, migrate just the database or database tables or specific files, or run search and replace operations. Yes, migrations are often launch day events, but partial data, code, and file migrations are part of the day-to-day experience of site building and management. In short, what used to take hours and often fail now takes minutes and just works. Built by the Delicious Brains team at WP Engine, you can visit deliciousbrains.com to get started.